Hey everyone, this is Tyrone from Followup System. Today we're going to be focusing on carpet cleaning services. We're going to be walking through the process of creating a Facebook ad and going through our unique follow-up system. Let's get to it. Hey, and welcome. We're going to be going over Facebook ads. I'm not really going to go over the campaign objective and the ad set too much, but this is lead form. So the objective is leads, and we're doing I think it's called, what is it? The instant form. All right, so this is for a carpet cleaning company. This is my company, matter of fact. So what I like to do, I always run a video ad and an image ad. Slightly different. So I'm going to go over the video ad first. This is going to be for the buyer persona that I'm using for this one is for pet owners. All right, so fully optimized. Let's go over some of the primary text. So you always want your text to fit your buyer persona. So, love your pets, not the mess they make on your carpets. We understand. At Sims Professional Cleaning Service, we turn your pet-made chaos into clean, fresh carpets in no time. You also have the call to action. Get a free quote today. And also, too, I like to throw a couple hashtags in there. Pet lovers, clean carpets. Have a good headline. Get a fresh, clean home today. Has a nice description. Call to action. You can do test on this, but usually learn more works the best. So I have my form. I'll show you a copy of it. Yeah, so a copy of the form. This is just ask one qualifying question because I'm going to have this go into my system is called Greenhouse Systems is going to go into it. So only ask one question, one qualifying question. This will help you get a better quality lead too, so people that accidentally click on it and everything. So do you need a carpet cleaning quote? Yes, no, or I don't know. So yes, it's going to send them through. No, it's going to send them to a nurturing, and I don't know, it's just going to boot them out. So yeah, it's tracking on. Usually I turn my pixel on. So I'll show you the actual ad. Best practice too, I usually only run video ads from 10 to 15 seconds and throw a caption in there. I'll let you see. So it's pertaining to pet owners. You always want to make sure you stay on task. All right, and that's the quick overview of how the Facebook ad's created. All right, now for the image ad. The image ad, I do a little different. I usually like to post pictures of families. Studies have showed that you pick up more to the human face when scrolling. So I usually do a family, have the dog right here on some carpet. It's on some fresh carpet at that. Now, I changed the text up just a little bit. So it's Fido's full all over your carpets, whiskers left a stain you can't get rid of. We understand the struggle. So you always want to harp on the pain points. At the same time being compassionate, and you have the solution. So our carpet cleaning service is the stress-free solution for you pet owners who love their furry friends, but not the mess they leave behind. Same thing, make sure you have a good call to action. Make sure you have a good headline too. This image, I made this image on Canva. So you can usually make these images. Looks more professional, sleek. It'll catch the eye. Once again, I usually learn more. Everything else is still set up the same form I use. All right, and that's all for the for the image. All right, let me introduce you to Greenhouse Systems. This is the follow-up system that I created that I use for carpet cleaning. So I'm gonna take you through this. It's a 5-part. There's 5 parts: email and SMS going out. So I'll go over it for you. Also, too, this will help you close more leads. So let's go. Form is submitted. We're gonna go to the first email. First email, thank you for your interest. We're gonna send them a link for them to fill out a survey. It'll automate to actually send them a quote after they fill it out. Same thing with the SMS. We're going to wait 24 hours. If they've clicked the link, we'll remove them. But if they haven't clicked the link, we'll go down to a second email. Just asking, have they completed the survey form yet? Have any questions? Send another link. Same thing with the SMS. So we'll wait another 48 hours. See if they clicked on it. So if they haven't, from here, we're going to go into continuous motion versus waiting on them to click on it. So we're the last chance to get your carpet cleaning quote. You want to try to deliver a level of scarcity to make them make a move on it. I hope this email finds you well. Want to remind you that time is running out to receive your custom carpet cleaning quote. Same thing with the SMS. Going to wait another 72. And the good thing, too, this doesn't run on the weekend. It only runs Monday through Friday between the hours of 9 to 5. So this is over like a week and a half span. So same thing. Going to wait 72 hours. Just giving them a friendly reminder. So we just want to tell we want to provide the best service. Just let them know it's been a few days since we reached out regarding your interest in carpet cleaning services. Just understand they may be busy. Just reinforcing it again to, can you fill out the survey? Just keep going with another 7. So this is the last email that goes out. Final reminder to complete the survey. Now we're telling them more of a stern approach. We haven't received your responses yet, and we don't want you to miss out on the opportunity to receive a personalized quote based on your specific needs. So your satisfaction is important to us. But yeah, and that's pretty much the 5-part series. So only thing you have to do is actually message the potential client back or give them a call. So when you give them a call, it's already up to the point all your questions been answered as far as price, is there any kind of special services may need it. All the questions are asked. Do you need furniture moving? Any tough stains? So it's really a whole tool to help you get more leads when you run Facebook ads. That's how we do it. Facebook ads for lead generation and Greenhouse Systems for effective follow-ups. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is Tyrone Sims of Greenhouse Systems signing off.